The PIX Ultra skateboard chassis features a drive-by-wire system as well as highly integrated driving, steering, powertrain, and braking systems. Its mechanical structure is also greatly simplified, which improves stability while also increasing loading space and capacity. As a result, developers and early adopters can focus on AV application and deployment, significantly lowering cost and saving time. Users in various industries can also quickly build self-driving function vehicles for various scenarios, boosting enterprise innovation and business. PIXKIT is an open-source autonomous driving R&D kit that is an effective one-stop solution for autonomous driving research and development. It arrives with AutoWare and ROS pre-installed and comes with instructional documents for both software and hardware, lowering development threshold and thus helping teachers, students, developers, and engineers get started with the research quickly. Let PIXKIT guide you on your AV adventure, from algorithms, demos, to simulations, and straight through to the final research results or products.